Chase just rolled out a new credit card that is very similar to the Chase Sapphire Preferred, but one catch: it's free. There is no annual fees. Make sure you stay till the end of the video so you can figure out whether or not you should apply for this new card or apply for the Chase Sapphire Preferred. Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lucy. In today's video, I will be walking over the Chase Freedom Flex, which is one of the new credit cards in the Chase Freedom family. In today's video, I will be walking over the Chase Freedom Flex, some details about the card, then I will go into the Chase Sapphire Preferred, what's being added, and lastly, I will do a comparison of the two to see which one makes sense for you to pick. Before I begin, be sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm and supports me in making these videos. So Chase recently announced a new lineup of its no annual fee credit cards, which is called the Chase Freedom Flex. It replaces the original Chase Freedom card and is a really strong alternative to the Chase Freedom Unlimited, which also has no annual fees. The Chase Freedom Flex includes the same 5% cashback on rotating quarterly bonus categories as the original Chase Freedom card. In fact, the welcome bonus actually makes it so appealing that it's being compared to the Chase Sapphire Preferred, which is a $95 annual fee credit card. Chase is one of the top rewards credit card issuers, and with a good reason. The bank issues several credit cards that have really good points systems, as well as really good bonus categories, and some of them provide really excellent travel benefits. Now let's take a deep dive into the Chase Freedom Flex. What is it really good for? It's a really good all-rounded credit card for beginners and for anyone who is a big fan of cashback. It's a lot easier to get approved compared to a lot of the top tier credit cards, and it offers a great array of benefits considering it's a no annual fee credit card. One of the new benefits that Chase has added to the Chase Sapphire Preferred is the welcome bonus. For a limited time only, Chase is offering 80,000 bonus points after you spend $4,000 in the first 3 months of account opening. That's pretty much $1,000 in travel rewards when you redeem it through the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal. Wow. This is such a good welcome bonus considering the card is only $95. You're getting about $900 back in Chase Ultimate Rewards, so the card is paying for yourself. Like I said before, this is a limited time offer. Before I talk about the comparison between the Chase Freedom Flex and the Chase Sapphire Preferred, be sure to like this video and leave in the comment below on whether or not you have Flex or the Preferred, or if you have a different Chase credit card and you plan to switch, upgrade, or downgrade. So now I will walk over the comparison between the Chase Freedom Flex and the Chase Sapphire Preferred. Both of these credit cards offer great benefits. I would say that the Chase Freedom Flex is more for cashback, while the Chase Sapphire Preferred is more a travel credit card. In terms of rewards, Flex has really great benefits considering it's a no annual fee credit card. So here's how they compare. Annual fees. Flex has $0. The Preferred has $95 annual fee. The sign-in bonus. So for the Flex, you earn $200 in welcome bonus once you spend at least $500 in the first 3 months of account opening. And for new cardholders, you can earn 5% cash back on grocery stores for the first year up to $12,000. So if you max it out within the year, you can earn additional $600, which adds up to about $800 total. The Chase Preferred, on the other hand, has this new welcome bonus that's currently at 80,000 points. Now this is not going to last forever, so they may switch it back down to what it was, but right now for a limited time only, if you do want to switch, this is a great chance before this offer ends. In order to receive the 80,000 points, you need to spend up to $4,000 first 3 months of account opening, which is about $1,000 towards travel when you redeem it in the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal. That's $1,000. The annual fee is only $95, which you can see where the card really pays for itself. So with the Flex, you get 5% cash back on rotating bonus categories that you choose to activate on up to $1,500 in combined spending per quarter. Also receive 5% back on travel purchase through the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal, 3% cash back on restaurants and drugstore purchases, and 1% back on all other purchases. On the Preferred side, you get 2 points for every dollar spent on travel and dining, 1 point on every dollar you spend on all other purchases. So if you're looking at it this way, Flex actually is a lot better than the preferred because of all of these added points. Foreign transaction fees are 3% with the flex and 0% with the preferred. So in this case, the preferred outweighs the flex. If you're not really traveling internationally, this is a great card for using in the States. If you're traveling often, the Chase Preferred is better if you're traveling abroad pretty often. Now, the value of points redeemed through the Chase Rewards portal. So with the flex, it's 1 cent per point, while the preferred is 1.25 cents per point. So it's 25% more in value for each point. So both cards can redeem a total of 5% back on qualifying LYFT purchased through the LYFT app through March 31st, 2022. So with the Flex, cardholders will get 3 months free access to DoorDash's subscription delivery service. And after that, you are automatically rolled in for half off on the membership. On the preferred side, you get a DoorDash membership subscription for at least 1 year. So right now, if you're really looking for a cashback card, the Flex is unbeatable. With its points and its welcome bonus, it is a lot better because of the fact that it has no annual fees. It's really rare to have a no annual fee credit card that has a 5% cashback on rotating categories and really good fixed bonus categories. Even just looking at the fixed categories, the Flex outweighs the preferred with 3% on dining and drugstore purchases as opposed to only 2 points for dining and travel. So with no question, the Chase Freedom Flex is a more lucrative card for your everyday use. It's also the less expensive option. If you don't like paying $95 for an annual fee, then this is a great cashback card. Or if you don't really plan on traveling internationally, this is a great card because of that hefty 3% foreign transaction fee. The Chase Freedom Flex also offers 0% APY in the first 15 months, and then an ongoing 14.99% to 23.74% variable APR after that. The Chase Sapphire Preferred does not have any APR promotions, so keep that in mind. So although from a points perspective, the Flex definitely outshines the preferred credit card, there are reasons why you will want to consider getting Chase Sapphire Preferred. Generally speaking, the Chase Sapphire Preferred, if redeemed through the Ultimate Rewards portal, is worth 25% more in value. So if you have 80,000 points from the welcome bonus, you get $800, but that would be equivalent to $1,000 if you use it in the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal for travel purchases. The Chase Sapphire Preferred also has a variety of transfer options for you to transfer to a dozen travel partner programs at a 1-to-1 ratio. So this includes the Marriott, the Hyatt, United, and Southwest. With the Chase Freedom Flex, you don't get the same features. Although you can use a credit card on the Chase Ultimate Rewards, they don't redeem for travel directly. So you can cash them out as a statement credit onto any travel purchases, but you're unable to use the Ultimate Rewards for travel purchases. You can also redeem for gift cards for Amazon, but this card doesn't have any point boosting feature compared to the Chase Sapphire Preferred. All in all, both credit cards are pretty good. In my opinion, but which one you choose really depends on your spending habits. The Chase Flex is a great cashback card. So if you're someone who really goes grocery shopping, who dines out pretty often, or who goes to the drugstore to make purchases, then this card may be a good option for you. But if you're a person who travels pretty often, travel domestically and internationally, the Chase Sapphire Preferred is a good option for you. Although the points is not as good as the Flex, it offers other benefits such as redeeming points at 25% more value and no transaction fees. The Flex is really more for your everyday cash spending. The Preferred is more for your travels. They could complement each other. It's not like you have to choose one or the other. Be also mindful that the Chase Sapphire Preferred, if that's a card you want to go for, has a limited sign-in bonus right now. It is limited. I'm not sure exactly when it expires. If you do know, leave it in the comment below, but it will expire soon, so make sure you sign up for the card as soon as you can so you can get this really good entry bonus right now. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed my video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to comment below on which card you are going to apply for or which card you currently have, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. I do post every week on personal finance and investing. Now, if you want to learn more about the Chase Sapphire Reserve and whether or not you should keep that card, definitely check out my video right here.